welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria, and today we are going to be doing a sleek extended low ponytail. Yes, we are. So the products I'm using today are the Got to Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray, their Ultra Glued Styling Gel, the Rapid Styling Thingies, some Edge Booster, and track glue from the beauty supply store. I also have the Organique Breezy Wave hair. It was $9.99 and it's also 30 inches. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Right now, I'm basically just detangling my hair so I can do it in the sleek ponytail to prepare me for the extended ponytail that you will see at the end. So after I've detangled my hair, I'm going in with each small section, and I'm putting the products in. So first I'll use the Got to Be Glued gel, and then after I use the gel, I use my Edge Booster, and then I'll go in with the Freeze Blasting Spray, and I'll do that for each section until I'm done. So now that I'm done sectioning my hair and all the boring stuff, now we get to the fun part. And I'm about to start doing the ponytail. But first, I braid down my natural hair and I wrap around the styling thing so I can put the tracks with the glue around it, if that makes sense. But this is the finished product of my ponytail. It's cute. It's kind of what's it called? It's not perfect because it's my first time doing it, but I'm proud of what I did so far. Let's see how long it lasts. Hopefully it don't start slipping within 2 minutes. But I've been pulling on it and it's tight. Yes, girl. I don't know how much y'all saw, but this is it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you like seeing hair videos or want to see more interesting stuff, comment that down below. But thanks for watching. Bye.